This is a 2010 Chevrolet Equinox. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: cruise control, full power accessories, keyless entry, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, OnStar, an external temperature gauge, and this vehicle has fewer than 27,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile is clearly a fuel-efficient choice. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Toothman Ford Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located on Route 50 West in Grafton.